So I have mine stored in my pantry. I don't know if I might just be dumb, but this was kind of a pain to put up. But in the vacuum's defense, I did put the hook thing upside down first. And this isn't super heavy. It's not super light, but it's not super heavy. So you can pick it up with one hand. It's not that heavy at all. So I just have it mounted in a stud with the screws. It's weird though, because it comes with like, I don't even know what they're called, but they're like the plastic things that you screw the screws into in the wall to like have it hold in the stud better, I guess. I didn't end up using those. Genuinely, I don't know how, and it also doesn't tell you what size drill bit to use, so I didn't end up using a drill bit. I just used a stud finder that I have. Found the stud, you can see my mark right there, and then just screwed the screws into it with like a power drill, and it's held up really good. It's pretty sturdy. It wobbles a little bit, but I mean, it holds the vacuum up great. There's just like a little slot in the back there that it kind of slides into, and then it holds all the attachments. Beware, there is 4 hooks, but there is not 4 attachments. My sister has this vacuum and she was asking me to tell her what the 4th attachment is that she's missing, and I keep forgetting to tell her that there's only 3 that comes with this vacuum, so she's not missing one. The attachments work okay. The vacuum works really well. I thought my carpet was clean and it was not. I emptied this canister probably 5 times cleaning my apartment. You can see how much dust was in my carpet. Disgusting. I am not a disgusting person, I promise. So the vacuum works really well. It is corded, but the attachments, they just don't have as much like suck power as it does with the normal vacuum. So I don't know, beware of that. If you're getting this for the attachments, they're not amazing. They don't suck, but I mean, they don't suck as much as they should. This one has like a bristle on it. It kind of got clogged with cat hair when I tried to.
Y esta es la otra parte que va abajo. Saqué una cantidad de pelo de la carpeta que yo jamás pensé que hubiera tanto pelo. De verdad. Me quedé sorprendida de lo bien que limpia. Y sí, estoy muy contenta con la compra. Trae otros accesorios. Trae esto para ponerlo por si lo quieres poner en la pared, porque la aspiradora por sí sola no se queda parada, o sea, tienes que recostarla. Viene con esto que es para también succionar partes más pequeñas. También trae este accesorio, este que está aquí, es muy bueno. Y trae este que es mucho más pequeñito.
So this thing is an awesome vacuum, but this is the second one I've had, and it's the second time this has happened. Both of them work great for a few months, and then all of a sudden it starts grinding, and this side gets really hot. So this is underneath this plate that we took off to see what was wrong. And this thing gets really hot and it starts melting the black plastic, and it feels like it's also grinding down the green too. This is exactly what happened last time. It works great up until a few months in. So this part is now flat, unlike this part that's ridged.
At home, and just everybody, like, you know, with their permanent marker Killmonger beards.
Yes.
I felt inspired. I felt like I was really a part of something special that was a lot bigger than me. You know, it was a lot bigger than the movie itself. It was giving kids and generations a chance to dream again. You know, dream.
Not even again, just to see yourself in a way that you never even imagined.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. So for me.
Can see it does not stand upright. If I let go, it falls. The only way to make sure it doesn't fall over is to lean up against something. That is so inconvenient.